Hey, good evening from cold Iowa. It's end of January. Sitting here tonight doing a little work on my bus as a floor plan and getting ready to do some additions to these diagrams for wiring and plumbing plans and trying to get a few more details worked in. I've been tossing around the idea, I may do it yet, of going down to the shop one afternoon if I get some warmer weather. And the reason we have not been down there is it's currently 13 degrees Fahrenheit outside, which is 14 degrees warmer than it was when I woke up this morning. So it's just too cold to go down there and work. The insulation I put up in that shop helps a little bit, and the propane heater does an okay job, but it takes a good half hour, 45 minutes for the shop to even get up to a temperature that's comfortable to work in. Actually, I wouldn't even say comfortable. I would say less than miserable, and it's just not pleasant working down there. So, not much has been going on down there, which is why I haven't posted any videos. But hopefully, spring is right around the corner. We'll be able to get down there and do some work. But as I'm sitting here working on some floor plans and designs tonight, drinking a cold beer, which is one of my favorite things to do when I'm not working with power tools. And it dawned on me that nowhere in that floor plan did I account for a place to keep cold beer. And the reason being is I prefer beer that comes straight out of the tap and not out of a can or a bottle. And I really like this kegerator I have. It's small, compact. It sits up in the room I use as my home office. Works pretty well, but it is not. It's just too big, and it really won't fit well into a bus. And I had a different setup at my old house with an old converted chest freezer. So I may have to do something like that yet. But I don't have any room in the floor plan for that. So I'm going to have to do a little redesign here and make sure that I have room to indulge myself with nice cold beer when I'm on the road with this bus. And that's what I'm sitting here working on tonight. So looking forward to a sunset that is after 5:30 p.m. and some warmer weather, and that's what I've been up to. We'll talk soon.